All right, I wanted to make a good luck video for you this morning. Let you know that I'm thinking about you. Let you know that today will be a good day for you. So, first of all, I thought I'd communicate in memes today instead of talking my way through it. So, here you go. The reality is that this test is going to be a difficult test, but you can get your way through it, navigate as best you can, breathe, relax yourself down, get your answers out. You're going to be just fine. When you look back on it, it's not that hard, and you will be fully prepared for this thing. I'm sure you feel this way before you start the exam. I'm sure you're going to feel this way when you first look at that first question. But make sure that you keep yourself calm and give yourself some good luck and relax. Here's my cheerleader page of, you got this. You'll be fine. But let's be honest, this is more my speed. Ron Swanson from Parks and Rec is one of my favorite characters. Honestly, I'll be thinking about you guys all day today. Let me know how it goes after you finish up, and I'll be reaching out tomorrow at some point. We're going to take the rest of the week off, so you've definitely earned all the time off here. So good luck, relax, enjoy, and I look forward to hearing from you after it's all done.